Finally, we are ready to start Brender Studio installation. First of all, you need to go to the Brender Studio website and you should see the sign of your operating system. In this case, we are doing it with Windows. You just need to click on Download. Then on the Download section, you will find it. Just click on Setup. It may appear you this warning saying that the file is not safe, but you need to click on More Information and Executing anyways. Then you just have to follow the steps and clicking on Next to install it. Finally, you just need to click on Finish and Brender Studio will be installed.